Clearing some land, getting some trees and bushes down. Work it, baby, work it.
That is sweaty. You couldn't even record the muscle in that part? Like, this is baby's work here.
Muscle it up.
There's nothing to muscle.
Nothing to muscle.
These are little tiny branches that are still attached.
I got
to
you
the ground.
dragging that last scoop down.
I think this
Is it in the ground? Dang mosquitoes. How many can... Oh, look at her. Muscle, muscle woman.
all the bush bags.
3 logs and a branch.
I have 4 logs.
Get those bushes. So get those bushes. You're gonna put Jason to shame. Ah!
Not that one.
Oh, you're two-handing it?
You have a problem with that?
No, not at all.
Warm to the core. Find your own zone.
We have made it to the property. What, 6:30-ish? Oh, just about 7. Just about 7.
Yeah, we've been here for a little bit. I already got the colors.
Cooked Jessica some ground beef. Cooking me the ribeye. One parcel. See up to the ridge now. That's pretty good. It's getting dark. Starting to get dark, lady.
So maybe the bowl isn't as scary.
We can go up there and find out.
Get my hiking boots on. Make faces for you too. I can't do your.
Oh man, that's gonna be great to put on Facebook right there.
You've put way worse than that of me on Facebook. You think I'm worried at this point? I think Facebook has seen more of my worst sides than you ever did before Facebook.
Oh yeah.
The tree plant is good.
The rubber tree plant.
You are not kind.
I'm not kind.
No, you need to do this yourself. I feel like Tarzan.
You gotta beat your chest and yodel.
I did it. Are you recording this?
I am now.
Oh,
Ah,
you just want to watch me die.
watch you die. Climbing down into our valley. You gotta start singing the song. You need to start singing the song
Which one?
about being in the valley.
My brain can't process that right now.
My brain can't process that.
Okay, so I walk to the valley and the top of the death.
That's not a song.
No,
That's a prayer.
that's a bird.
You're kind of camoed in on the.
Am I?
Yeah, I can't. I gotta zoom in to see you.
Well, you're camoed. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Just remember, this valley is ours. So just remember, this valley is ours.
Yes, I know, but now I can't see you.
You're behind a tree. That's what I said. You're behind a tree. Of course you can't see me. Did you say it's all slimy? Oh, slidey? Well, it's the bottom of the valley. No, you're behind a tree. I can see your head. Camera doesn't see you. I'd have to zoom way in. She has made it to the bottom of the valley. She wants to know if anybody can see her. Oh, I see an arm waving. You want to flash us?
Huh?
You gonna flash us?
No, because you'll record it.
I am recording it. You flash the other view. So, there's our valley. Someone owns this immediate beginning of the bowl.
You want me to hold it for you?
Sure, go for it.
Okay.
Just hold it out the window
Over
there.
here, like this?
But we own about 5 acres in there. I do believe that's that down. So that down tree. I don't know. Can you point to that down tree in the camera?
That little one?
No, that big one right there.
That's a big one?
I think that's where that marker was.
This?
Yeah, kinda. That's
Okay.
about where our property starts. That's about where we were.
This
Yeah.
the chair.
So all the rest of this valley now is all ours.
It's a long ways down.
Here, point in front of us. Or give it to me and I'll.
No, I'll do it.
Look at the view right there.
I know, it's gorgeous.
We own everything beside us right here. Jessica loves the road.
Yeah, no.
She loves the drive.
No. Jessica does not. All down in there, way down in there. I walked it. Yay me. Anything you can do, I can do better.
Get out and show them all the way down there. We own all the way down in there.
I guess.
From that telephone pole straight
I'll
on
fall
down. It should
in.
be. Well, actually, it should be from their building. I think there's sheds on.
Yeah,
all
there's a building right here.
I think that's on our property.
Yeah, but we own all down in here. You can't see much from this, babe. There's too many trees. But look at that view. Gorgeous. Beautiful.